Are you or a loved one suffering from chronic pain and inflammation? Are you desperately seeking a way out of the agony? From author Mira Johnson comes the book, Non-Opioid Alternatives to Fight Chronic Pain and Inflammation, Win the Battle Against Lifestyle and Autoimmune Diseases, on Amazon. This must-read and life-changing book covers the world of chronic pain and inflammation, shedding light on the most common lifestyle and autoimmune diseases responsible for your suffering. The author shares her own journey of overcoming pain and her mission to help others do the same. When you read Non-Opioid Alternatives to Fight Chronic Pain and Inflammation, you'll discover how your immune and lymphatic systems are your allies in the fight against chronic pain and inflammation. Learn about functional integrative medicine and explore 18 evidence-based non-opioid protocols that can change your life. This book is your guide to understanding the root causes of chronic pain as well as inflammation, offering you real practical solutions. It's time to take control of your wellness journey and unlock the power within you. Order your copy right now on Amazon and start your journey towards a pain-free, inflammation-free life. Non-opioid alternatives to fight chronic pain and inflammation. Win the battle against lifestyle and autoimmune diseases. From author Mira Johnson. Available on Amazon and Kindle, paperback, and Kindle Unlimited.